To add more details in the model, we have another tool that is offset, which will help us to create or add more details in the faces we have in our model. To use that particular tool, we can see here here is the offset, and from here also, and you can find it from here, offset, and the shortcut for offset is F, and it helps us to add more details in our model. We'll look into it further in this video. So you can see there is a model here, and we have designated it as a door, a window, roof, window. So what I want to I want to add more details in door, also in windows. That is, I will be adding frames, door frames, window frames. So let's get started with it. So as this is a component, I will just explode my component, and I'll click on offset, and I will select edge. It is all the face is activated now from where I want to create inset or offset. So I want to create a frame of this door, and I will just left click it and drag. You can see there is another square shape that comes along with it, and it is guiding us like the parallel, the square that will be what concentric squares we can say, which will be parallelly to the sides we have on the door, and it will have a proper distance. We can see in the bottom right corner, it is depicting the distance we have from that original primary line. So let's say I want to create a frame of one, what I can say, let's say 4 inch, and enter. You can see there is a frame we have got which is parallel to the original lines, and in the bottom you can see we have unwanted lines that we can delete easily using eraser tool. Just drag it, and now what I can do, we can use push and pull, and we can drag it according to our need. We can drag up, we can drag down. You can see there are some some amendment in our model, and I want to drag outwards, and I'll just make it 2 inch. Now you can see I have a frame here in my door, and it will be depicting it as a door. We can add more detail in the door, or like I'll make a line here, and like this, and I'll make some offset, very minute offset. I can say 1/8 inch. Okay, you can see here, and similar to the push and pull tool, the offset tool remembers the what are the recent dimensions we have taken for our offset. So once we double click it on other faces, it will remember the previous dimensions. So when I double click it, it is already 1/8 inch offset we can get here. And so what I will do, I will just push this face outwards, and you can see we have added more detail in this door. So it's quite helpful for us to add more details. Now similarly we will do this same to window, and here we have a proper outline of a window. What first thing we have to do, we have to click on offset command, that is you use the key F, and now you have, by left clicking it, you have freedom to create offset of this. So I'll make an offset, that is, I'll make offset of 4 inch, and subsequently I want to make offset of this. So you can see it by double clicking it here, I have created a offset here also. Now I want to add what first I will push it out using push and pull tool, and I will make it 2 inch outwards, as well as by double clicking here, and I have pushed it out also. Here what I will do, you can see the width of the window is more, and generally window if this much thick, we have to leaf panels. So here I'll just make a standard window here, just you can follow. 8 inch I will make, and what I will do, I will add a okay. Now you have seen I have created a window here, but the details are very vague. We have to push and pull it out. First what I will do, I will make offset here 1/8 feet. Similarly I will do the same here by double clicking it, and now I want, these are the mullions and glass frames, so we have to provide small offset here. So I will provide 1/2 inch offset here, as well as I will double click it. You can see by double click, okay. Here again I have to put 1/2 inch, and once you put the numericals here in the distance of offsets, it will remember whenever you click the same. So we have provided the 2D detail here, we just had to push it, pull it out. So what I will do, I will just push this frame a bit out, or say 1/2 inch, and similarly with this. And now I have to push this frame also, so I will make it 1/4. By double clicking it, I have taken these similar frames outwards. You can see I have created a particular detail that is quite good, and it will be better to add more details from inside also, because I have added detail from the front face only. Inside it's not that much detail. So for 3D you have to cover detail from all direction, from 360. So yeah, from outwards, from external view, we can see we have our window here. So yeah, so we can use offset to add more details. You can see that I have shown you. So try this tool by yourself. You will love this tool, and it is very simple for use,